So hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install Thrive Theme Builder on our website, on our WordPress website. So how to install Thrive membership on your WordPress blog. I've already created a video on that. You can check out that video. And in today's video, I'm going to install that entire theme builder. I'm going to use the entire theme builder and create a website on WordPress very quickly. To do that, I'm going to use this demo website. My main blog is bloggingjoy.com. So on that I've created this demo subdomain. So what I'll do, let me go to the dashboard first. Now in the left side, you can see there is something called Thrive dashboard. So in Thrive dashboard, you can see that what are the products you have purchased from Thrive themes, and then you have installed. Those things will be listed here. Now in our previous video, we have only installed Thrive Architect plugin. Now today what we need to do, we need to install Thrive Theme Builder. So we'll again go to the product manager. And then from this list, what we will do, Thrive Theme Builder themes will install the product. Okay, so you can see the two products were selected. One is that theme builder, another one is that Shapeshift theme, which is the default theme of Thrive Theme Builder. So right now they have only one theme with Thrive Theme Builder. Maybe in future they can create more such child themes so that we can quickly use those themes and create a unique website. Okay, so now what we can do, we can install selected products. So you can see that Thrive Theme Builder and Shapeshift theme both are going to install simultaneously. So let me click on visit site. Fine, so it is installing, and at the same time we can see some sort of changes in our website. So it is not the default WordPress theme anymore. You can see that changes are reflecting. It's coming. Okay, so now it's already installed. By default, this kind of a layout is coming. Okay, because this is what the Shapeshift theme is all about. So what we can do, before going further, let me show you the theme section also. So you can see that Thrive Theme Builder is activated, automatically activated. Now what we will do, we'll simply click on go to Thrive Theme Builder dashboard. Let's go there. Now as soon as you click on that go to Thrive Theme Builder dashboard, it will take you to this beautiful site wizard. Now this is a complete wizard that you have to follow step by step, and it will help you to create the entire website. It will help you to design the entire website. Okay, yes, a theme builder has the 100% control of your entire website. So that's what we can do with the help of Thrive Theme Builder. So what we can do, let's say click on get started. You can see in the left side there are different structures. So we'll simply step by step we'll follow all of them. So let's click on get started. So first it is asking for upload your own logo. Okay, so here what we can do, just simply click here. So you need to upload a logo. So let me upload my website logo only. Choose and continue. I'll come here and refresh it. So you can see that logo has updated. Okay, now the brand color, so you can click here. So there are different types of brand colors are there. So whatever brand color you want to choose, you can choose it from here. So let's click on apply. Again choose and continue. So again this will change the color combination, the color structure of your entire theme. You can control the entire theme, that color combination. Okay, with that also. So header. Okay, so now we are into the header. Quick tip, you can change the header from the top drop down. Okay, not required. So right now this is the header we are using. So what we can do, so there are couple of ready to use templates are available. That's what the beauty of this theme builder, that you do not need to design actually anything. Definitely if you want to create something from scratch, then definitely you can do that, but there are ready to use lots of templates available, so you can use any one of them. So let me select this one, because see, now it looks like perfect. So don't show this again, choose and continue. Now let me refresh it again. So see, now you can see that as the background is dark, I can see the logo, menus are coming fine. There is a call to action button also, and the same header will be applicable in all the post pages and everywhere. So that's what the beauty of a theme builder. Whatever I am doing right now, it will be applicable to the entire website. Okay. So next one is footer. So now I need to choose a footer. So again, similar to header, there are ready to use templates for footers as well. So now let me choose any one of them. Let me choose a simple one. Let's say this one. We opted for that simple logo, simple footer. You can see that logo is coming, copyright messages are coming. So in the left side, there will be like common pages. So that also we need to configure, and those pages will come automatically. Okay. So right now, let's say simple footer we have opted for. Otherwise, if you want to like choose even more simple like footer, you can go for this also. Let's say this one also you can choose. So this is even more simpler. Okay. But personally, I like this one because the right side there are social media that handles you can link, and in the left side automatically like this privacy policy, contact, those pages you can link on. Now choose and continue. Fine. Now next is the home page. Now what kind of home page you want to show in your website? Now choose from the ready-made templates, display one of your existing pages, display your blog as homepage. So whatever you want, you can do it from here. So let's say we want to create a custom homepage, a static homepage. So for that, there are already plenty of ready to use templates are available. So what are those templates? So let's say choose few of the templates. So this is one template. You can see that this is another template, 2, 3. So around 5, 6 ready to use templates are there. So whatever you like, you can choose any one of them. So let me choose, let's say this is fine. So this is something personal branding related. It looks good. Okay. So you can later on you can also edit the template, and let's say you can put your own picture, and then in what are the websites you got featured. This kind of layout easily you can make. So let me choose and continue. Now let me refresh it. So you can see that how beautifully we have reached here without doing any sort of coding, without doing any sort of customization or any kind of technical things. We simply go after few ready to use templates and designs, and a kind of a basic website is already there. Okay. Now what is next? Next is single blog post. Okay. So again, there are multiple types of layouts. Which layout you want to choose? So you can see that featured image, narrow content. This is sidebar one. So if you want a narrow content, you can choose this one. There is a left side sharing buttons are also there. So you can see that in the bottom there is a call to action is also there. So there are already like ready to use templates are available. So whatever you want to pick, you can pick. Otherwise, I will also show you in coming days that how you can create your own templates, whether it's a custom page, whether it's a like home page, whether it's a blog post, whatever, we can create our own custom templates as well. So right now, what is the trending one is it's this one, that narrow content. So let me pick this one. Okay, so this is a featured image is coming, and then there's a title, and then it's a narrow content. Fine. Choose and continue. Now this is the blog post list, means this is the blog area, the archive pages, how exactly it will look like. So what you can do, again there are ready to use templates are there. So maybe you can choose this, that there are couple already there. Whatever you like, you can pick any of the designs. So let me take one. So let me choose this one. Welcome to the blog. I think it's yeah. So right now the demo website doesn't have any content or anything. So that's why we are not able to see anything. So choose and continue. And the last one is the page. Okay, what kind of page designs you want to have? So this is a blank one. These are the like the stylish ones. So you can pick any one, which one you like. So let me choose this one. So the pages will also have a single without sidebar, or else if you want to put a sidebar, you can choose this one also. Okay, fine. So choose and continue. So that's it. Now it is asking for like choose a header menu, choose a footer menu. If you have already created a menu, then definitely you can like choose, or you can say I will choose a later, or I will choose a later, because I do not have any menu in this like website right now, or continue without choosing a menu. Okay, so I am done with the setup of the complete website. So wizard setup is complete. Okay, now there are plenty of other things. Okay, first let me preview the website. So you can see that with just few minutes, in just few minutes, we have created a website like this. So the entire website, the template is ready. The template is ready. Right now there is no pages, nothing, but yeah, home page is ready. If you want to create pages, so like let me quickly create some pages. So menu 1, so let's say add to menu. Is there any category? One category, add to menu. Fine. So create the menu. And what is the place? Primary menu. Okay, let me put it here. Let me refresh it here. Let's see. Okay, so it has not reflected because we need to configure the same thing through our okay, sorry. So this is the menu area. You just come here. So you can see that header menu is menu 1. Activate menus on my site. Refresh it. So you can see that a couple of like menus are coming. So we reduce few things so that the alignment can be fine. Remove 2 sample pages. So let me remove one. Save the menu. Okay, so this way the pages will come. You can click on blog. So it will take you to this page. So you might be wondering like why the ID is coming like that, because I have not changed the permalink settings actually. So just go to the permalink. So put it like post name and save it. Now again come here, refresh it. So it is coming as blog. Okay, so this is all about like how quickly or how easily we can create a complete website with the help of Thrive Theme Builder. This is really easy. Now what you can do, you can customize the entire page. Customize, let's say this is a sample page. So if you want to like change the existing page design, you can change it. Otherwise what will happen, whatever pages you will create, automatically it will take the template and it will create a page like this. If you want to change the post template, so right now we do not have any post, so that also you can change. If you want to create a custom post template, that also you can create separately. So those things in coming days I'll be creating small videos, and those tutorials I'll be uploading on my YouTube channel. So that's it in this video. So what I wanted to show you in this video is how quickly we can create a website on WordPress with the help of Thrive Theme Builder. So if you find this video useful, feel free to like this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.